the wrong key, dumb. It has been.
You can put it in front of hers.
Will it fit?
I should have just parked it there, but we're late.
Well, just let me back out and you back out and I'll park in there and you park right here.
Okay.
Here, I'll.
Or what were you going to put right here, in there?
No, nothing. I just want to pull it out and try to start it.
Oh, you don't even know if it's going to start right now?
Just park and then.
Yeah, just move it.
What's that? I could hear it. What the heck is that?
Look in the back seat.
Oh. You put a snorkel, whatever you call it.
An exhaust.
Exhaust.
You're gonna adjust the exhaust with the button.
Well, leave it on high power all the time. I don't need no remote. Just leave it wide open. We were just looking at those.
I know. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
See what else?
But my camera?
No.
The coilovers?
Yeah.
No way, Frank. Those are like I was looking at those on the internet today. They're like $900.
They're definitely more than $900.
No, these were the ST coilovers. These are KW
I
coilovers.
haven't put the intake on yet,
But you put the coilovers?
but yeah.
Oh, shit, I'm going for a ride.
I gotta let me grab my camera.
Let's go for a ride, eh? Frank, you crazy, man?
Here, look. I'll put it on auto, so it won't open the. It's got a valve on the exhaust, and it'll only open when the exhaust goes over 4,000 RPM, or when the RPMs go over. Or you can open it, and it's open all the time.
That's the way it is right now.
You should drive it, Frankie, so you can show Dad. Cool, huh?
That's what you wanted on your thing.
You should go with him so he could show him how to do it.
No, I just want to leave it open all the time. I don't want to mess with that. I want it open all the time.
Go for a ride. Bye.
Here, if you try it in the different on, off, auto.
Okay.
Auto is the one where it only opens over 4,000. Off is the quiet mode.
Okay, this one. But does it still do anything in the quiet mode? It's
still pretty loud in the quiet mode because it's a full exhaust system. It's a downpipe.
You hear it?
Everything. Put it. What do you have it on?
On.
Okay.
I want it open.
Try it, and then if it's too loud, try it on auto.
Okay.
Okay, that's gonna move too. Back. Go.
Bye. You know how to drive it fast? You know how to drive it with that thing on? What's that? We're on camera.
I don't think he has it on.
No? Make it go loud, honey. Go loud. Okay. Okay.
No, shh.
What are you gonna do? You gonna peel out? Frank!
What?
Go.
I am.
They want to take a picture of us.
They are.
Oh, I see. You're gonna get a ticket.
That's what you wanted?
Yes, I knew we were getting it.
You did?
Yeah, for a long time we all pitched in and got it.
Oh, that's crazy.
Hey, you gotta be careful. Goddamn it, you scare me. Okay, look at he's just looking at you like. That's cool.
Isn't it crazy?
Yeah. That was fun. You like it, love?
I love it, man.
Awesome, huh?
See that camera? We get to hear everything you guys just said.
Oh, I told Grace. It's not even on because where's the red light? It's not on. Frank.
So you wouldn't think that it was on.
Frankie. What?
He goes, how much does it cost? I want to pitch in.
That's crazy, man.
I go, no,
I
no,
love
no.
it, man. It's
He
so
ordered
bad.
it from his work.
I want to see it. Oh, wow, they're blue. Oh, wow. Things, it's black.
You gotta tell me what you thought about the exhaust.
I love it. It sounds good. I feel more horsepower. It's awesome, Jack.